Hi, I'm Honza from ZOOYL, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Air Ducky, that's the gas can vent cap from ZOOYL. Why do we need this? So you see here, I have my two helpers and they're holding the gas can. The new canisters, they actually don't have any hole to get the air out from the other side. So if you try to pour something, the air goes the same way inside, which means that the fluid will go very unstable. So why Air Ducky? I'm sure you've already seen the other gas can vent caps, but you actually have to stick the wire inside and it has to come the other side through the hole. And it's very long, very tedious, and very annoying. But what Air Ducky can do is that you don't need any of that. You just screw that in the hole. So the first step we have to do is to drill the hole in the canister. Show it. Yes. We made this in advance. You can either use the drill we include in the pack, or you can use the 7.8 millimeters. The second step, and actually that's it. Second step, you just screw it in. Do you want to try? I will hold this for you, and you screw it in. The other side. Almost there. Now it gets a little hard, huh? So for this, we actually have some trick. We can use a coin because we have a very special feature about Air Ducky, is that there is a special hole and you can put the coin inside and you can tighten it. So you can try. I'll hold for you. And there we go. We got the Air Ducky tied in and we're ready to use. So now we have the Air Ducky tied on, and now we can try it also with other helper, Jesse. So right now, this is how it looks like when the vent cap is closed, or if you don't have any. Okay, so now we open the Air Ducky.